Hi. Okay, this is, I wanted to share this with everybody. My tenant upstairs fell in her fiberglass tub and cracked it pretty good. And so I couldn't really afford to redo the whole bathroom. So I looked up some stuff online on how to fix it. And in the end, it came out pretty good. So what I'd like to do is share how I fixed it. So in the first picture here, you'll see the tub. And what I did was take a drill bit and drill some holes at the end of where the cracks ended so they don't spread any further. I drilled a bunch of holes there. And then what I did after that, I went to the hardware store and got some crack filler. So I proceeded to put the crack filler in the drilled holes and put some of that crack filler underneath, and I let it sit overnight. Then what I did is I took some sandpaper, sanded the area down really good and everything. Then I got this stuff here, fiberglass resin, and I already had some fiberglass cloth. So what I did, and make sure you have it well ventilated, that you have a window open or something, because this stuff really is strong stuff. So what I did was I used the paintbrush. Well, first I followed the directions, mixed the resin. Then I used a paintbrush and painted the resin on there, and I made sure I put some extra where the holes were, where I drilled the holes. Then I took that fiberglass cloth and followed the cracks, put some more resin on top of the fiberglass cloth. Then I waited 24 hours and let that dry. Okay? And I wanted to put something on there that would make the tub look halfway decent, because as you can see the way it looks in the picture, it doesn't look too pleasant to the eye. So what I did was I sanded down the resin real good, and I used some the painter's tape. It made like a square outline, and then I got some Flex Seal white paint, rubberized paint. And what I did, I put a nice coating of that into that square perimeter. Waited about half an hour, then took the tape off, and then I let it dry for 24 hours with the Flex Seal rubber coating on it. And as you can see in the last picture, except for the patch being white, it's holding up pretty well. I must say, it's been a few weeks. She's been taking showers and stuff, and no leaks whatsoever. I went up there the other day because there was like a bunch of hair, so I unplugged the drain, and I checked around where I put the Flex Seal rubber coating, and it's staying put and seems to be working fine. So that's what I wanted to tell you how to fix your fiberglass tub if you can't afford to redo the whole bathroom.